Battle of Falkirk, fought on the 22nd of July 1298, was a major engagement during the First War of Scottish Independence between the forces of King Edward I of England and the Scots, led by William Wallace. It marked a turning point in the conflict, resulting in a significant English victory. After Wallace's triumph at the Battle of Stirling Bridge in 1297, he was appointed Guardian of Scotland and continued to resist English attempts to control the country. In 1298, Edward I personally led an army north to crush the Scottish rebellion. The Scots formed up near Falkirk in a defensive position, using schiltrons, tight, circular formations of spearmen designed to repel cavalry. Initially effective, these formations proved vulnerable to the English longbowmen, whose arrows devastated the tightly packed Scottish ranks. Once the schiltrons were weakened, English cavalry and infantry broke through the lines. The Scottish army collapsed under the pressure, suffering heavy casualties. Wallace managed to escape, but resigned as Guardian shortly after the defeat. The battle demonstrated the effectiveness of longbowmen and exposed the limitations of Wallace's tactics against a professional army. Though the war continued, Falkirk was a serious setback for the Scottish cause and diminished Wallace's political influence.